Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to transform your old dusty congealed glue on your frontals to this clean, almost new basically rebond frontal. And it's a very easy process. If you want to see how I do that, make sure you watch to the end of this video and stay tuned. So this is the congealed frontal. I'm just giving you a close-up and I'm showing you guys how bad it is. This is client's frontal she sent to me so that I could make a wig. I'm going to do a video on that and I'm going to upload it later this week. But yeah, this is what we have, and materials I'm going to use. So I'm going to start with the alcohol, and I have it in a bottle. I'm going to spray some of it down. So I'm going to spray it so that I can let the glue soak in it and be really saturated. So I'm not going to be stingy. I am getting in there, I am spraying it, I am dousing it with alcohol so that it's dripping alcohol. Okay, so I let it sit for like 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's not looking so dried up. Like now it's congealed, but it's looking fresh, like freshly congealed. Is that even a thing? But yeah, it's looking freshly congealed. Okay, I'm going to go in with the alcohol again. Do not be stingy. I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to like tug on the congealed glue. I'm going to tug on the glue and I'm going to speed it up so that it doesn't take much time. I really don't like long pointless videos. You're just seeing what I'm doing is self-explanatory. So I'm going to go in with more alcohol and I'm going to keep scrubbing on the lace. You could do this gently or apply a little bit of force. I mean, this one is congealed, so yes, I will apply some force to it. I'm going to go in with hairspray and I'm going to put it. You should use actual oil for this. Do not be like me. Don't use hairspray for. You could use hairspray. All is that it's oil, but you should use actual oil for this. Coconut oil, olive oil, all those kind of oils, they work best. But this is what I had on hand, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going in with my shampoo. I'm just going to put that there so that I can lather up, and then I'm going to keep brushing. And I'm going to keep brushing and brushing and brushing, trying to make sure that the glue gets out. And if you're seeing what I'm doing, I'm brushing upwards. Is that, yeah, I'm brushing out towards the end of the lace, not the other way around. As you can see, this is what I have so far, and most of the glue is already coming off. So I'm going to just keep repeating the process. I'm going to go in with alcohol again. I'm going to spray, and then I'm going to go in with the sponge, and then I'm going to methodically, I'm going to clean it out, and I'm going to brush and tug on it. Like, after doing all that, this is what you should have. It's looking promising, So now I'm going to go in with some shampoo. I'm going to pour it on the lace, and I'm just going to wash it as you would hand wash your socks or your bra. Something like wash it gently so that it's not going to zhuzh up the lace or what. But also be very gentle because you don't want your hair coming out through the inside of the lace. Anyways, you see how neat and clean this looks right now, yeah? Yeah, this is a better video. It looks very neat. All the congealed glue is out. It looks brand new. It's like congealed frontal wear, congealed frontal who. Yeah, so I'm just going to give a quick comparison of the before and after. I know you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll come back and show you the wig tutorial. I love you guys. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to peep my social media and let's be friends. Go follow me.